Through certain innovative ideas, we've been able to do some really cool things that help us reduce a lot of our usage of certain chemicals, acids. It just helps us reuse a lot of the material needed to make a nameplate. Two really cool ways that we've done that is reclaim process and a rejuvenation process. And both of those words are really fancy for just saying we just reuse the same chemical over and over and over again.
They recycle their solvent. I mean, that saves them money and it also reduces emissions, because every time you open a drum of solvent, you smell a smell. That smell is emissions, and that's because the liquid solvent is going into the air. When you keep it closed, it doesn't escape into the air. So if you have a closed system, you're not going to release emissions. If you recycle the solvent, then you're going to produce less waste. You know, you keep recycling that solvent, you're basically cutting down a waste stream and you're reducing air emissions at the same time. I didn't help them develop their eye scrubber. I didn't help them develop their solvent recovery system. I didn't help them to develop their acid rejuvenation. I have to credit their employees like Ron and Ronnie and all those fellas. They're the ones that did that work.
We're 14001 ISO certified, which has a specific criteria where before any chemicals can come into this building, we have to evaluate their environmental impact.
We call them volatile organic compounds. What they do is when they get outside the building, sunlight hits them, and those break into free radicals, and they get into your atmosphere, and they cause a thing called smog. Okay? All those free radicals degrade the environment.
It's due to federal and state regulation. We're able to comply with our permit by storing our chemical off at a different building behind us. It's 150 feet away. We now keep all of the chemicals that go to these machines over at a separate facility away from any of the production area.
Green is a mentality of continual improvement. They have been green since I started working with them, and even before then, because I've looked at their records and I've seen that process.